All right, let's go to weather here this morning. We're talking about some cloudy skies out there. The light rain we've been talking about as we look at Love Field here this morning, 53 degrees taking you on out there. And the fog kind of hanging around as well. So that's going to be kind of spotty and a little bit worse as we head farther south and west of the Metroplex here this morning. So just be aware that we will have some wet roads as you head out the door. Looking at the satellite radar composite here. But the rain so far is light and we expect it to stay that way through the morning rush. Starts to pick up though as we head toward midday on into the afternoon, maybe even an embedded thunderstorm or two. So as we look at our timecast, taking us through the day, you'll notice how the rain really starts to increase as we head into tonight. You can see around midday some isolated thunderstorms, maybe east of Dallas and Fort Worth, but the rain increasing in coverage around the rest of North Texas as well. And again, maybe an isolated thunderstorm or two around lunchtime and then as we drive home. But then as we head toward midnight tonight, look at how the rain and storms really start to increase in coverage and intensity. So this is the time frame when we start to talk about the heavy rain, those stronger storms perhaps as well as we head toward midnight and after. This is around 3 a.m. Widespread rain and thunderstorms and nearly 100% coverage overnight tonight, that locally heavy rain. Now, as we head into the morning rush tomorrow, the heavier showers and storms begin to shift a little farther east. That's around 6 a.m. And then as we head toward 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, still widespread rain going on, but the heavier rain's probably starting to wind down around the Metroplex and shifting a little farther east as we head toward midday, though. All the rain should be just about over around most of North Texas, still in our eastern counties, some ongoing lighter rain, and then that shifts on off as we head toward the afternoon hours. So driving home tomorrow should be dry. So we'll get through this overnight heading into the first part of tomorrow. Looks like it will be the worst of it. And because of that, we do have another weather alert day for tomorrow, mainly because of the heavy rain. And you see the time frame there, roughly 3 a.m. to 9 a.m., give or take a little bit with the timing, but it will be most widespread and heaviest during the overnight hours for the first part of the morning rush. Low wind risk that we could see some stronger severe storms with hail and wind, but locally heavy rain appears like it will be the main concern, where we could see upwards of 2 to 3 inches in some areas out there. And you can see that low wind marginal risk for some strong, potentially severe storms, but a little bit better chance for that severe weather probably down into central Texas as we head into the overnight and early tomorrow. So just keep that in mind. File that away for tomorrow. For today, we're looking at a high around 61. Now, once the rain moves out, it's going to stay warm for us. We're not cooling down this time. We're looking at those temperatures in the upper 60s heading on into the weekend. And then by Sunday, sunny skies. We're going to be in the low, maybe even some mid 70s early next week. Temperatures do start to cool back down, though, getting back kind of to reality late next week, heading into next weekend, as we'll have those daytime highs only in the upper 50s, closer to what we would expect for this time of year. All right, back over to station. One more check on traffic.